What if I told you that your entire financial future could be secured by a simple rule with just 3 numbers? A rule so powerful, yet so simple, you'll be angry you didn't know about it sooner. For years, you've probably watched your paycheck come in, only to vanish into thin air by the end of the month, leaving you stressed and wondering where it all went. That cycle of anxiety ends today. Stay with me for the next 3 minutes and I'll give you the key to unlock financial control for good. This isn't some complex Wall Street formula. It's the 50-30-20 budget hack, a principle that has silently guided millions toward financial peace. It works by dividing your after-tax income, the actual money that hits your bank account, into 3 simple categories. Rule number 1. Dedicate 50% to your needs. This is the core of your survival. We're talking about the absolute must-haves: your rent or mortgage, utility bills, essential groceries, insurance, and transportation to get to work. These are the non-negotiable costs of living. Be brutally honest with yourself here. Is that daily premium latte a need? Is the most expensive gym membership a need? The answer is almost always no. This first step is about creating a stable foundation. Get this right, and you're already halfway there. Rule number 2. Allocate 30% for your wants. Now, this is where life gets fun. This is your guilt-free spending money. This category covers everything you buy for pleasure and entertainment. Dining out, that new video game, your Netflix subscription, shopping for clothes you don't technically need, and hobbies. This 30% is crucial because it prevents budget burnout. A budget that feels like a prison is a budget you will abandon. The 50-30-20 rule gives you explicit permission to enjoy the money you earn. So go ahead, buy that concert ticket. You've planned for it. Rule number 3. The crucial 20% for savings and debt repayment. Listen closely, because this is the most important part. This 20% is you paying your future self. This is your ticket to freedom. This money has 2 primary jobs: aggressively paying down high-interest debt, like credit cards, and building your savings and investments. This is your emergency fund, your retirement account, your down payment on a house. Every dollar you put here is a brick in the foundation of your financial empire. This isn't leftover money. It's the first and most important bill you pay each month. So why is this a hack? Because its genius lies in its simplicity. You're not tracking every single penny in a complicated spreadsheet. You're focusing on big picture percentages. It automates good decisions. You set up automatic transfers, 20% to savings, the day you get paid, and the rest is yours to manage within the 50-30 framework. It shifts your mindset from how much can I spend to how much am I saving. Mastering this rule is the first powerful step toward financial discipline. But what habits separate the financially stable from the truly wealthy? What do the world's richest people do differently every single day that you can start doing right now? If you're ready to level up, I've broken down the 4 habits of the world's richest people in the video right there on your end screen. Click it, and let's continue this journey to wealth together. And for your daily dose of life-changing insights from Drivebird Network, don't just subscribe. Hit that bell, and then go to the comments and type, "I am building my future." That way, you're not just a viewer, you're part of the flock. We'll see you in the next video.